Hello guys, I have come in my mother's home. So I saw is natural beauty of my mica, you can see. So I want to show you its beautiful greenery surrounding me. It's a nature things which is very splendid. You So here is a field of my mother's. My mother have been grown, lot of cultivation here. You can say distinct crops cultivated here by my mother. So I'll show you. I want to show you different crops of cultivation which grown by my mother. So wait, just give me a second. So I want to show it's a lady fingers plant, and there is a capsicum plant, green capsicum, and there is a you can see there is a it is a brinjal plant. And okay, there are a lot of crops. My mama doesn't sit calmly, okay, because she want to do something in her life, because she did all these things, so she doesn't want to take a break in her life. So you ginger plant, okay, it's very tiny right now, but you can see it's a ginger plant, okay, which we put in everything like tea and like any pulses, and it's very essential things for our body, and you know it'll it'll get over us to any illness, you can say. It increase our immunity. Yeah, I can give a lot of knowledge because everyone knows about it. I want to show you, it's a reddish plant, okay, it's a reddish plant, and I want to show you something. So there are lot of flower plants also, which grown by my father's also. It's a aloe vera plant, and its flower, I don't know, it's a basil, and it's a beautiful plant which animal eats with happiness, because it's very effective and crucial things when we give it our animal. So they give us milk, so it a productive, okay. If animal eats this plants, okay, this leaves, so milk production is increase, okay. Here is okay happening, but I don't know more. It's you can, I don't have any scientific ideas. I don't have any scientific proof, but yeah, our ancestor says, and my mother